we are all set. As you can see, we run the uncover glow light both back and forth. It's at the bottom. You see that? When you come here, it's the same. And you gonna come to the front. The front is the same too. So you see it? And let's go on the inside. I just connected this today. So we are going to try to find the switch. Where is the switch? Right here. You see? Just got done working on this car. It's an undercover glow. And if you want to change the color, you can hit on this. Now actually it's this color right here. You see? So it's all set up. So if you want to make your car look nice like a Christmas tree, just hit me on Facebook, man. I'll do that shit for you, man. But that shit ain't free though. So that's how it is. We run this both back and forth. It's all new 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse. We just got done with the whole thing.